In this video, we will show you how to highlight a row based on a cell by applying conditional formatting. For our first examples, the rows will be highlighted based on a number. Highlight the cells with the data. On the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting button, select New Rule. If you're using a Mac, select Classic as the style, then select Use a formula to determine which cells to format from the drop-down menu. If you're using Windows, let me show you a screenshot. When you click the Conditional Formatting button and select New Rule, you will see a section that says Select a Rule Type. Simply select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. You will then see a section that says Edit the Rule Description. This is a box where you enter your formula and, of course, click the Format button to make changes to your formatting. Let's enter the formula. For these examples, the rows are going to be highlighted based on the percentage change. We're going to highlight the rows that have a percentage higher than 0, type an equal sign, and select the cell with the percentage change. The column that we use as a reference will remain the same. Therefore, we add the $sign next to the column letter to make it an absolute reference. The row number will change, so we don't need the $sign. Type the greater than symbol, type 0. For formatting, select Custom Format. Click the Fill tab and select a color. Click OK. Click OK. Click the Conditional Formatting button again and select Manage Rules. Check the Stop If True box. Now we are going to make a rule to highlight a row if the value is less than 0. We can duplicate the rule and edit the formula. Click the Duplicate Rule button. Let's edit one of these rules. Select the rule and click the Edit Rule button. Instead of the greater than symbol, type the less than symbol. Follow the same steps to choose a fill color. Click OK. Click OK and click OK. Let me show you other formulas that you can also use. This time, we're going to go based on the dollar difference. Let's say you want to highlight the row if you go over budget by $100 or more. Select the cells with the data, click the Conditional Formatting button, select New Rule, select Classic as the style, and select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. For the formula, type an equal sign, select the cell reference. Once again, the column used as a reference will remain the same, so we have a $sign. The row number will change, so we don't need the $sign before the row number. Type the greater than symbol, type an equal sign, and type 100. Choose a fill color. Click OK. Click OK. When we increase the utilities fee by another $50 for one of these months, the row will be automatically highlighted since the difference will be 100. Let's say you would like to highlight a row when you are over budget by less than $50. Let's create a new rule. Follow the same steps as the previous examples to duplicate the rule. Then edit the rule. For the formula, type an equal sign, type and, type an open parenthesis, select the cell reference, and type a $sign next to the column letter since it is an absolute reference. type the greater than symbol, type an equal sign, and type 1. For this example, we are typing 1 because if the difference is greater than or equal to 1, we are over budget. Type a comma, select the reference. Once again, only add a dollar sign before the column letter to make it an absolute reference. Type the less than symbol, type 50, since we want to know what we are over budget by less than $50. Type a close parenthesis, select your field color, click OK, and click OK. Now, when you decrease any of these numbers to make the difference less than 50, the row will be highlighted in yellow, as you will see right now when I change this number from 300 to 240. If the difference is higher than 100, the row will be highlighted in orange. To highlight a row based on a text, select the cells with the data, click the Conditional Formatting button, select New Rule, select Classic as the style, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. For the formula, type an equal sign, select the cell with the reference, type a dollar sign next to the column letter, type an equal sign, type double quotation marks, type the word yes, and type double quotation marks. Choose a fill color, click OK, click OK. When you type yes, the rows will be highlighted in green. To highlight the rows with the no status in red, first duplicate the rules as we have done with the previous examples. Edit the rule instead of yes, enter no in the formula. Select the color red as a fill color. Click OK, click OK, and click OK. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.